How to build an Adirondack chair. I build cedar Adirondack chairs in my garage. Cedar is native to the northwest region of the United States, and it has special qualities which prevent it from rotting, and it deters insects. These qualities make cedar very desirable in closets and to protect against moths, and is used as siding because it will not be affected by the weather. I start by setting up my tools outside. I set them up so I don't have to move material more than I have to, which saves time and money. To build the chairs, I buy 1.25" cedar decking that comes in boards that are 6 inches by 8 feet long. It takes 5 boards to build one chair. First, I cut the pieces to length on the chop saw, which cuts across the grain, and cut them to width on the table saw, which cuts with the grain. I then trace the pieces with specific templates. The templates have curves and the specialty cuts on them, which saves me time of figuring out the curves and the notches of each piece every time I build a chair. A bandsaw is then used to roughly cut the curves of the pieces. I use a bandsaw because the blade is thin and it can bend easily. To clean up the curved edges, I use a sander to shape the pieces exactly to the templates. I then use a router to round the sharp edges and make them smooth. Once all the pieces are cut, I sand the flat part or the face of the boards with an orbital sander. Then it allows the polyurethane to absorb into the wood. The pieces are then polyurethane to protect the wood and lock in the color. The final step of the process is assembling the chair. For this, I use special ceramic coated screws which are the same color of the cedar and will not rot. Even if all the pieces are cut correctly, I must take my time to assemble the chair, because if everything does not line up, it could be crooked and rock back and forth.